3 days in. First night in smokes, Molly Ridge shelter. It's cold this morning. Without the wind chill, it's in the low 20s. Water bottles are freezing. Sun's out. It's not raining. Could be a lot worse, I guess. Sleepless night, cold. Shelters just suck. I think we're going to do the tent regardless tonight. Where we end up. Redneck, not a happy camper at the moment because it's just cold out. She don't dig the cold. And she's hungry. And she has to go to bed. So what we decided to do is just, the next shelter is only like 2 miles. Hike to there, have our breakfast, take care of business, warm up a little bit from walking, and all right. Well, we're back online. My battery actually froze and went away, but it is very cold today. I don't know what the wind chill is. It's below freezing because our ice bottles had froze. I think they're warmed up now. We're gonna get the shelter, get some breakfast, and then go from there. Day 29 or 30, I can't even remember. Alright, so we were going to go for 12 miles again today, but we were both a little out of it from yesterday, so we did 7. The Spence field shelter, and we're going to tent it because it's a full house over there tonight. Got a nice little spot in the divot there. I think it should prove wind hardy. We're going to go get some water, and we're going to cook us up something to eat. Get to bed early tonight because we didn't get a whole lot of sleep last night. It's super cold. So I'll show you a Spenceville shelter anyway. I think I go get some water. And this one actually has a privy, which I didn't know, which is good. Very good. Good for Jersey today anyway. Elsewise, that's where I would have gone. There's the shelter. Looks like got a fire going on and everything inside. That's cool. Like the 3 shelters we've been in, maybe all the ones in Smokies have fireplaces on the inside. Not sure. Oh yeah, I hate that. I mean, that first video I did today, the camera just cut off because it was so cold out. The GoPro froze up, like the battery died, and I put it in my pocket, and like an hour later I had full battery again without doing anything. Point water, treat water. Another thing, I don't think I've mentioned this, but we got 2 people, obviously Jersey redneck, but and that's why I always, whenever I get water, I fill up the one bag that came with the Sawyer Squeeze and the C-Knock, which is hands down the better bag than, I mean, if you can get one of those. I mean, if you got to make a choice, go with the C-Knock or something like it. I don't know, there might be something just like it, but that's the only one I know of. It's got this real flexible material, and it's just better, man. It is. That's all I got to say about that. Alright, so now I'm assuming I'm at the water source. Oh, there's the pipe. Oh my goodness. See, sometimes you got good water, sometimes you get a little drip like that. It will have to do. Alright, I got to take my gloves off and get this filled up.
What? Once again, we have to stop short because of me and my feet.
Stop.
What?
We do not. We stopped short. It was a strategic decision.
Yeah, because of my feet.
It's not the heel problem. It's just overall sore or something like that, right?
Yeah.
So.
He's making me carry too much food. So my pack weight's up to 50. While his pack weight's down to 20. I'm just kidding. kidding.
You're not believing that, right, guys?
But seriously.
They don't call me the pack mule for nothing.
I think my pack weight went up because of the food.
It did.
And my feet are paying for it. I'm old.
Alright, so we are again at Spence Field calling it a night. It is like 4:30.
I don't care what time it is.
Yeah, we're getting up early tomorrow. We're going to try and pull 12 or 13er.
That's the glory of being out here. You don't care what time it is. You can go to sleep anytime you want to.
True
I
that.
almost went to sleep while you were on the trail today and you were redoing. I stood there and the sun was hitting me.
Out, guys. Hey, see you tomorrow. Peace. It's like 6:30 in the morning. I gotta go get the bear bags. Turn this light out. I don't know if you can see the stars. I'm gonna turn the light out. Pretty cool night. Alright, back with the light. Alright, I believe today is Sunday, the 17th, morning of. Spent the night at Spence Field, camped out right over there. Beautiful spot, sun coming up in the morning. It's not all that bad with the no wind, but watching Artemis and getting some notes from Salamander, our friend up the trail, a day and a half ahead of us. Apparently we have a pretty hard day ahead of us. So, we're about to find out. I think we got some good rest last night in the tent, which was critical. And hopefully that'll help us get up this thing we gotta climb today. Alright, out. I'm supposed to be coming up to a view here. Let's see what we got. Actually a pretty decent morning. I don't know what the temperature is. It's cool. Yeah, it's right. I think it's cold, but it's just cold. Oh, this would have been a cool camping spot. A little bit far for the water, though. And we're heading down that way. And I guess we're going up over that stuff, I would imagine.
Don't care right now.
Sun's pretty bright out. Hard to see the white markers. Alright. I didn't charge his battery, so I don't know how much I got left. I'm going to save some for later on in the day and when we get to that big climb. hopefully our tactic will work, which was knowing we had that big climb. We pulled up short yesterday, rest our legs, so we take the climb with fresh legs versus pretty much worn down legs. See how it's going to pay off. Okay, again, day 3 in the smokes. Our goal is Siler's Bald Shelter. It's a 12-mile day, so I don't know. We'll see what happens. Or the shelter right after that, which would make it a 13-mile day. For sure would be our longest day. Well, we got a sign up here. Let's see what we got. But tenting is way better, man, than in the freaking shelters. I mean, it's not even close. You know, unless it is a lightning storm or snowing maybe. But beyond that, tent all the way. Derrick Knob Shelter 5.9. Greenbrier Trail, no horses. Hey, it's 5.9. 5.9, making progress. The Derrick. Yeah. Wow. All right, everybody getting their photographs on. Guess we gotta take advantage of the views today. Keep getting them. After a while, they probably all look the same. Pretty sure we're gonna get one up here.
Is this Rocky Top?
I don't know. They're all rocky. Oh, it says it right here. Something written in the stone here. Hop, Harris, Red, Waldron. Alright, guys. I'm not sure this is Thunderhead or not. Not too bad of a climb. There's a rock, or I mean, thing with a geological survey. 5,527 feet. All right, a little bit of climb that we're doing now. Wow, get some ice mixed in. Hey babe, stay on the big rocks because right in here is like ice. It's going here. So you gotta go here to there. I don't know, maybe there. Then we should be out of it. Till we get up there somewhere. Let's try it. Here. Ooh. Hey man, just be careful. Yeah. Well, there's shiny stuff. More shiny stuff. Oh. Damn. What's that? Alright, I'm going to turn this off for a little bit. Usually show all the uphills like this, but a little bit of a snaky, windy, steep downhill here. Again, you know, I'm not a geologist. I don't know what each one of these here mountains are named or whatever. All I know this is between Spence Field and damn, the next shelter. I don't starts with a D. I don't know what it is. There's a couple guys all the way down there already. Alright, pretty nice day. Getting lucky, 3 days in the smokes. Cold in the morning. Pretty cool, cold at night. Decent hiking weather though.